In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your trading fee rebate voucher on Binance. And trust me, it's super simple. First, open the Binance app. From the home screen, tap the Binance logo at the top left corner. This opens a menu. Now, scroll all the way down and tap More Services. At the top of the new screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap it and type reward. Then select Rewards Hub from the results. This is where you will find tasks that let you earn trading fee vouchers. In the Rewards Hub, you'll see several onboarding tasks like buying or depositing crypto worth at least $10, completing identity verification for a $20 USDC trading rebate, and more. Tap Do Task to complete any of them and unlock your voucher. Once you have earned a voucher, scroll up in the Rewards Hub and tap My Vouchers. Here, you will see all your available vouchers. Just select the one you want to use and tap the yellow Use button. After applying it, close the Rewards Hub and return to the main Binance screen. Tap the Trade tab at the bottom. Now, whenever you buy, sell, or trade crypto, your trading fee rebate voucher will be automatically applied, helping you save on fees. And that's it. That's how to use your trading fee rebate voucher on Binance in just a few easy steps. Make sure to check the expiry date of your vouchers so you don't miss out on savings. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop comment if you have questions. Thank you for watching this video.